So quick third gen Camaro video here for you guys. If you're starting to hear some rattles coming from the front driver's side, kind of by the clutch pedal, if you rest your foot on the clutch pedal, it goes away, or you press it in and it goes away. You're gonna want to have a look underneath it here. Take your front tire off, jack up underneath, and right where the clutch fork goes into the bell housing up top here, you can see where that grease is. I had a rubber seal. I had a rubber seal right there that was pushed out of the pivot arm there. So that was causing the rattling down here. So I went ahead and pushed it back in. You can see that smaller shaft there that goes in. So there's just a seal got pushed out of there. Obviously, I don't think too many people know there's a grease nipple here underneath in the clutch assembly. So likely the grease just wore out and it got pushed out. So I pushed it back in, filled it up with grease, and we're gonna start it up and check and see if that fixed it. So there we go, guys. I know I didn't get a video of it before, but there's rattling coming from down here. You could hear it. So I hope this video helps someone out there. If you got rattling coming from around your front tire here and it goes away when you don't even press the clutch down, even if you just touch and lightly press in the foot pedal, just rest your foot on it, it goes away. So there's your fix, guys.